UPSC aspirants, ready for a powerful geography plus governance case study from Northeast India? आज बात करते हैं असम की, जहां लैंड रिफॉर्म्स को डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन के साथ जोड़कर लॉन्च हुआ मिशन बासुंधरा 3.0 बाय हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा एट दूरी बील धेमाजी. Why is this important? Land ownership provides economic security, ensures social justice, and improves access to bank credit. Under Mission Basundhara 3.0, 1,06,905 beneficiaries across Assam received land pattas in one single day. Out of these, 44,700 beneficiaries were from Dhemaji district alone, a flood-prone, historically backward region of Upper Assam. But how did Assam reach here? Earlier, Assam had disorganized land records, annual pattas, encroachments, and unsurveyed villages. Result? लोगों के पास जमीन थी लेकिन लीगल ओनरशिप नहीं. No patta, no loan, no security. So government launched Mission Basundhara version 1.0 2021. Conversion of annual pattas to periodic pattas plus correction of land records. Benefited 5.82 lakh families. Version 2.0. Land rights to indigenous communities living on government land. 2.29 lakh families, mostly SC, ST, OBC. Version 3.0. Digital land pattas plus settlement in unsurveyed villages under Swamitva scheme. Out of 903 unsurveyed villages, surveys completed in 769 villages. Under Forest Rights Act 2006, 538 forest dwellers of Subansari and Jiyadhal Reserve Forests also got land rights. Why does this matter for geography? Because Assam has 78,000 square kilometer area with issues of riverine erosion, Brahmaputra Basin, forest land settlements, tribal belts and blocks. Land is directly linked to ethnicity, migration and environmental governance. Over 5 years, 10 lakh land grievances resolved. Government claims 8% land issues cleared. Even encroached land, 1.5 lakh bighas freed. Plus premium reduced to just rupees 500 per bigha, making ownership affordable for poor families. So what's the bigger picture? Land reform plus digitization plus forest rights plus rural mapping. It leads to social justice, economic empowerment, political stability in border state and better governance model for GS paper 2 and 3 UPSC angle. Think land reforms, rural governance, tribal rights, Swamitva, digital India, cooperative federalism. Assam is turning land from a conflict issue into a development tool. अब सवाल ये है, can this become a model for other Northeast states?